Welcome to the Famety YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to use Flash on TikTok. Using Flash on TikTok can elevate your videos and make them stand out in the crowded world of social media. Whether you're shooting a dance routine, a makeup tutorial, or a comedic skit, incorporating Flash can add that extra spark to your content. Here's how to use it effectively. First, ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. This guarantees you have access to all the latest features, including the Flash option. When you're ready to shoot, open the app and tap the plus button to create a new video. You'll see a variety of options on the right side of the screen. Look for the Flash icon, which typically resembles a lightning bolt. Before you start recording, consider the lighting in your environment. Flash can help illuminate darker settings or add dramatic effects to your scenes. If you're filming indoors or at night, turning on the Flash can brighten your subject and enhance the overall quality of your video. However, if you're in a well-lit area, you might want to use it sparingly to avoid overexposure. When you're ready, press and hold the record button. The Flash will activate, providing a burst of light with each frame. This can create a unique visual effect, especially during quick movements or transitions. Experiment with different angles and distances to see how the Flash changes the mood and tone of your video. After recording, don't forget to explore TikTok's editing features. You can adjust brightness and contrast to complement the Flash effect. Once you're satisfied, add your favorite music, captions, or filters to complete your masterpiece. With a little creativity, using Flash on TikTok can transform your videos to extraordinary. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Follow Famety for all the news on social media.